初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want a haircut.
I want a haircut.
我想剪头发。
I want a haircut.
I want a haircut.
Can you trim my hair?
Can you trim my hair?
你能帮我修剪一下头发吗？
Can you trim my hair?
Can you trim my hair?
Please cut it shorter.
Please cut it shorter.
请剪短一点。
Please cut it shorter.
Please cut it shorter.
Just a little shorter, please.
Just a little shorter, please.
请再稍微剪短一点。
Just a little shorter, please.
Just a little shorter, please.
I want to keep the length.
I want to keep the length.
我想保持这个长度。
I want to keep the length.
I want to keep the length.
Can you cut my bangs?
Can you cut my bangs?
你能帮我剪刘海吗？
Can you cut my bangs?
Can you cut my bangs?
Please wash my hair first.
Please wash my hair first.
请先帮我洗头发。
Please wash my hair first.
Please wash my hair first.
Do you have shampoo service?
Do you have shampoo service?
你们有洗发服务吗？
Do you have shampoo service?
Do you have shampoo service?
Can you dry my hair?
Can you dry my hair?
你能帮我吹干头发吗？
Can you dry my hair?
Can you dry my hair?
Please use a hair dryer.
Please use a hair dryer.
请用吹风机。
Please use a hair dryer.
Please use a hair dryer.
I want my hair straightened.
I want my hair straightened.
我想拉直头发。
I want my hair straightened.
I want my hair straightened.
Can you curl my hair?
Can you curl my hair?
你能帮我卷头发吗？
Can you curl my hair?
Can you curl my hair?
I want a perm.
I want a perm.
我想烫发。
I want a perm.
I want a perm.
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
需要多长时间？
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
How much is the haircut?
How much is the haircut?
剪头发多少钱？
How much is the haircut?
How much is the haircut?
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
你们有学生折扣吗？
Do you have student discounts?
Do you have student discounts?
Can you dye my hair?
Can you dye my hair?
你能帮我染发吗？
Can you dye my hair?
Can you dye my hair?
I want to change the color.
I want to change the color.
我想换个颜色。
I want to change the color.
I want to change the color.
Do you have natural colors?
Do you have natural colors?
你们有自然色吗？
Do you have natural colors?
Do you have natural colors?
I want a brighter color.
I want a brighter color.
我想要更亮的颜色。
I want a brighter color.
I want a brighter color.
Can you highlight my hair?
Can you highlight my hair?
你能帮我挑染吗？
Can you highlight my hair?
Can you highlight my hair?
I want brown highlights.
I want brown highlights.
我想要棕色挑染。
I want brown highlights.
I want brown highlights.
How long will the color last?
How long will the color last?
颜色能保持多久？
How long will the color last?
How long will the color last?
Do you use safe products?
Do you use safe products?
你们用安全的产品吗？
Do you use safe products?
Do you use safe products?
Please use less chemicals.
Please use less chemicals.
请少用化学产品。
Please use less chemicals.
Please use less chemicals.
Can you recommend a style?
Can you recommend a style?
你能推荐一个发型吗？
Can you recommend a style?
Can you recommend a style?
What style suits my face?
What style suits my face?
什么发型适合我的脸型？
What style suits my face?
What style suits my face?
I want a simple hairstyle.
I want a simple hairstyle.
我想要一个简单的发型。
I want a simple hairstyle.
I want a simple hairstyle.
I want a modern hairstyle.
I want a modern hairstyle.
我想要一个现代的发型。
I want a modern hairstyle.
I want a modern hairstyle.
Can you show me a picture?
Can you show me a picture?
你能给我看张图片吗？
Can you show me a picture?
Can you show me a picture?
Please cut evenly.
Please cut evenly.
请剪均匀。
Please cut evenly.
Please cut evenly.
Do not cut it too short.
Do not cut it too short.
不要剪得太短。
Do not cut it too short.
Do not cut it too short.
Please make it thin here.
Please make it thin here.
请把这里打薄。
Please make it thin here.
Please make it thin here.
Can you make it layered?
Can you make it layered?
你能帮我剪层次吗？
Can you make it layered?
Can you make it layered?
I want my hair soft.
I want my hair soft.
我想要头发柔软。
I want my hair soft.
I want my hair soft.
Do you sell hair oil?
Do you sell hair oil?
你们卖护发油吗？
Do you sell hair oil?
Do you sell hair oil?
What shampoo do you use?
What shampoo do you use?
你们用什么洗发水？
What shampoo do you use?
What shampoo do you use?
Can you recommend hair care?
Can you recommend hair care?
你能推荐护发产品吗？
Can you recommend hair care?
Can you recommend hair care?
Thank you. I like the style.
Thank you. I like the style.
谢谢，我喜欢这个发型。
Thank you. I like the style.
Thank you. I like the style.
I will come back next time.
I will come back next time.
我下次还会再来。
I will come back next time.
I will come back next time.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。